Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you know when we have a new video ready. WhatsApp has finally rolled out its UPI-based payment service with which you can directly pay someone from your contacts using your bank account. Now before you get started, make sure you're on the latest update of WhatsApp, which is version 2.18.41 or later on Android and version 2.18.22 or later on the iPhone. Now here's how you can get started with WhatsApp payments. First of all, whether you're on iOS or Android, setting up WhatsApp payments is pretty similar. Just go to Settings, Payments and tap on Accept and Continue. On the next screen, tap on Verify via SMS to send a message to start the linking process. Once your number is verified, select the bank account you wish to add. So now, if you have an account linked with the number that you just sent the SMS from, you will be presented with your account from the bank. Just tap on it and on the next screen, tap on Done. Remember, you can repeat these steps to add multiple bank accounts also. So now that you've successfully activated WhatsApp payments, how do you send money through it? We'll tell you how. Open the chat of the WhatsApp contact to whom you want to send money. On Android, tap on the Attach button and similarly on iOS, tap on the plus button and select Payments. From here on, the process is the same on both iOS and Android. Now, just enter the amount you want to send along with a note if you want to add that too and tap Send. On the next screen, enter your UPI PIN to authorize a payment. So once the money is sent, the amount will be shown as a message as part of the conversation. Note that WhatsApp will maintain a log of all your transactions, the money you sent and the money you received. To check the log, just go to Settings, tap on Payments, and on the top you'll find Transaction History. Just tap that to view your transactions. So that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.